original. Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her.
Yeah, I'm coming up. Welcome you guys, my YouTube family. Thank you guys. I want to toast you guys. Toast, toast, toast. I have been drinking by myself, but I wanted to bring this here to share with you guys. Yes, we made it. 30 million views. How exciting can that be? I am so super excited. And let me share with you guys something. So let me share with you guys something very quick. So I am super excited that we made 30 million views. Hello, how are you? Anybody home? Is anybody home? Yes, okay, so let me share with you guys. Last summer, I came out here. I literally cried and shed tears in the presence of you guys because my views were declining. Yes, my views are declining because you know what? People will like you today. They will not like you tomorrow. YouTube algorithm will like your videos today to share to your subscribers. Tomorrow you change your niche. They don't remember to tell your subscribers that you posted something. So I learn not to complain. I take it day by day and I appreciate every single penny, every micro view. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for making it for us to get to 30 million views. We are still staggering a little bit to make it to 300,000. I don't know when that is going to be, but you guys, I leave it up to you guys. If you love me, share my videos, tell your friends and your families to follow me. But however, what I wanted to talk about is to also encourage other YouTubers about making evergreen videos. Let me tell you what evergreen videos mean. I don't know. So I'm going to tell you what evergreen videos mean. When you, for example, when you go to my channel, you will see 800 views, 500. Some of them are staggering to even get to 500. You know what? But it used to bother me that I don't have views, but I realized that it's important for me to publish more evergreen videos. Evergreen videos mean, I think I'm drunk already. So, evergreen video means the video you make today and people will watch it today and watch it tomorrow and watch it in 5 years and watch it in 10 years and probably watch it in 20 years. This is what is called evergreen videos. So if you are a YouTuber and you are staggering with your views, try to consider doing evergreen videos. Sometimes when I do my video, before I do the title, I go to Google and I type in my title and I see related titles. And some of my videos, when you go on Google and type in some topics, my video will show up. So I love that my videos are evergreen videos. They don't pick up right away. They slack in picking up because it's searchable. So when you do videos that people can search at any time, you are guaranteed to have views forever and ever and ever. So YouTubers, this video is going to help you and wipe out your tears to learn how to do evergreen videos, the videos that people will search all the time. But if you are blessed and lucky and your channel gets views right away after you publish your videos, you know what? Good for you. But when you do evergreen videos, you don't constantly need to be doing videos every day. You can take up to 3 months vacation from YouTube, and you know that people will still search your videos. As a matter of fact, I was watching a video last year on YouTube, and then I went to check the last time the person published the video. The video was published about 5 years ago, and the person is still on YouTube but doesn't post constantly. I follow the person to Instagram to know why that person doesn't. I was thinking, did the person die? How come she doesn't post videos? But her videos keep springing up to 1 million, 2 million views and stuff like that, because the way she titled her videos, it become evergreen, that people will continuously search your videos. And one more thing I want to tell us, we YouTubers, is sometimes when you do video, I did that a lot. I deleted some of my videos, and when you delete your videos, the count gets removed from your view count. So if you even go now to check in my about, it doesn't show you 30 million. But when I go to my stats, that's behind the scene, I see my 30 million, which it's right here. But what I'm trying to tell you, don't keep deleting. I regretted deleting some of the videos that I do, because those things are the things you're gonna look back and say, oh my God, look at the way I used to look when I started YouTube. Some of the videos I will watch and then I ask myself, did I really post this video? But you know what? Don't worry. All these things makes up history. As long as you don't get copyright in the videos you did, do not delete your videos. If you have copyright, okay, you can delete them. But I'm telling you that any video you delete, even if you have 1,000 views on that video, or 5,000 or 10,000, if you delete that video, the view counts on that video lives with the video. So I urge you, I encourage you not to delete your videos, because every now and then you will go back to those videos and ask yourself and try to figure out, why did people really watch these videos? And let me tell you guys something. My videos that have the most viewers are not the videos that I'm wearing makeup, are not the videos that is very clear and clean and squeaky. Those are the videos that I did impromptu. No makeup, no nothing. Sometimes, when I started YouTube, I wasn't even thinking about, okay, we have to glam up to really do videos. I can just wake up and do anyhow videos. And those videos are the videos that continuously make me views. I did a video, there's a video I did 3 years ago, and this video makes me at least 20,000 views every month till today. And some of my new videos are slouching back and they're making 1,000 or 2,000 views. But the videos that I did 3 years ago constantly add 20,000 views, or sometimes particular videos add 50,000 views per month on my channel. So that's what I'm here to tell you guys, to get into doing evergreen videos, the way you title your videos, so that people will always come and search for that. If you do trending topic, like I said, you're lucky if your channel is getting, constantly view right away. But if you don't do trending topic, if you're like me who wants to do evergreen videos, those are the key things to growing your channel endlessly, everlasting. People will watch it On the other hand, if you are an individual that people already like, regardless of what you put out there, people will watch your videos. So try to narrow down to figure out, where do you belong? Are you with the individuals that do trending videos that the views spike up? Are you among the individuals who create evergreen videos, who the views takes time to grow? Are you among the individuals who have already made it? There are so many people. For example, Patricia Bright on this YouTube, she's been there for long. It doesn't matter what she put out there, because people love her, people will watch. Even if she put today where she's pooing, people will watch. Tomorrow she can put where she's buying a house, people will watch, because she has developed that, likeness from her followers, and because she's been on YouTube for a little longer or more longer. I think she's been on YouTube for about 10 years now, about 9 to 10 years. So do not stop. So I learned not to complain. I enjoy every little, the microwest, the smallest view. I enjoy it. So guys, let's make it to 300,000 subscribers. Thank you guys, and I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Bye for now. See you guys. Bye-bye. Yes.